Hi. Welcome to ReliableInformationSystems.TV.
Hey.
Hello. I have a question. I heard testers are obsolete in today's world of agile software development.
At the same time, there are so many ads for Agile tester certifications. How does this fit together? Do testers ignore reality?
Let us look at the facts. First, most IT organizations have test centers. Second, there are IT departments which think that testers and developers should collaborate better. Now, let's look at the question why Agile methodologies had a chance to replace the V model and the waterfall model.
Many software projects failed in the past.
The requirements management was too inflexible. Requirements documents were obsolete or outdated before they were finalized.
Exactly. Testing works. Test centers are a big success. It is the software development process, which is broken. Customers invest money, but they do not get what they want and need. Agile methodologies want to fix this. That's perfect. That's what IT departments need.
But why do gurus propose to get rid of testers in an agile world?
Gurus have to make provocative statements. Otherwise, nobody listens to them.
It is correct, but not the main point here. Requirements engineering, software development, and testing, they all interact. Thus, if you want to improve requirements management and software development, it makes sense to look at testing as well. Having said this, most IT departments have quality assurance and testing teams. However, many testers and QA experts miss the moment when it is time to speak out. They have to communicate their opinion, they have to bring in their expertise. Especially when developers want to improve the main competence area of testers. Testing and organizing testing.
Isn't it better if agile teams decide at the beginning of each sprint who takes over development tasks, and who tests? This allows for flexibility compared to projects in which everyone has a fixed role, either as a developer or as a tester.
My observation is that testers and developers have different skills and mindsets.
They have different mindsets. Yes. But if you talk with managers, I would focus on organizational aspects.
Organizational aspects.
Yes. Think about road safety. Car mechanics and police officers contribute both. But what is the difference?
Mechanics repair cars. Accidents are less likely if brakes, lights, turn signals etc. work. That is good for road safety.
Police officers improve safety by enforcing traffic rules and banning unsafe cars from the street.
Who gets money? For what?
I pay for my car repairs. Thus, the car mechanic ensures that I can continue driving my rusty car. He makes sure my car does not fall apart.
Society pays for the police. They stop idiots who want to drive old, rusty cars which are a danger for themselves, and for the complete society.
Let us now return to testing and testers. They can act as mechanics, or as policemen. It depends on the organization. Think about a software development project. Developers think testers should find bugs early.
Sure, they save time, and they do not like testing their own code.
If testers test early in the project, this helps increasing the software quality. This reduces the risk that customers dislike the final software.
Yes. However, many IT professionals think too much about software development and ignore IT operations. Assume you are the head of IT operations in a bank. What happens if servers and applications do not run stable?
The bank cannot provide banking services to their customers.
The bank fires the head of IT operations.
So, if I am the head of IT operations, I should have my own testers. I should never allow testers being moved to agile development teams. Otherwise, I risk my job. Or, even better, I should stop this agile development nonsense.
This is a guru-style statement. I would say things differently. A head of IT operations has various options to cope with agile software development. First, he can insist on known testers or QA experts. Their performance reviews and bonuses depend on the stability of IT operations, not on any goals of software development projects. Second, he could insist on quality gates and check test reports. Thus, he can catch projects not testing properly, even without having own testers. Third, there is one thing he should not interfere with: the actual software development projects and how these projects are managed. Software development projects can have car mechanics testers, if I get my policeman testers.
Hi. Hey. Hello. I am late. My lunch took too long. What did we learn today?
We talked about testing in Agile projects.
Boring. Really boring. Nobody needs testers in Agile projects.
We discussed two main reasons for testing. First, testing helps finding bugs early in a project.
In other words, testing serves the needs of software developers.
Second, testers can verify the software quality. If I buy software, or if I am responsible for IT operations in a company, I must ensure that software is stable before I deploy it to production servers.
Testers can validate this. That's the second reason why companies pay for testing.
Understanding these two reasons for testing is key for organizational decisions in IT departments.
To conclude, if testing is a facilitator for software development, testers should report to their software development project manager. If testers are guardians for production environments, then they should report to the head of IT operations.
Now I understand. Agile methodologies improve software development. Testers and developers might switch their roles in projects. At the same time, no head of IT operations should assume that all projects deliver stable software. He has to validate this. Thus, he might want to have some QA experts or testers in his line organization, even, or especially, if developers use Agile methodologies.